Hello and welcome to my online field trip. I visited 5 places that have assistive technology for elementary education, and I hope some of them you haven't heard of and might be helpful to you. The first is real simple. It's Mod Math, and it is just software on the computer that allows people that can't write, that are might be dyslexic or dysgraphic, or maybe have a broken hand, but it allows them to do calculations and graphing on their laptop. Very simple interface. It's real straightforward. It's good. People like this. And then GeoGebra was another I went to. And GeoGebra is a combination of geometry and algebra, obviously, but it's only for grades 4 through 12. But they do have lessons and activities that are broken into sections, of like math for this, and then coordinate plane, and it's interactive, and they're good. Desmos is good. It does a lot of other stuff. It also has, I'm sorry, GeoGebra. It also has graphing calculator, pretty a simple, straightforward graphing calculator. Desmos, on the other hand, has an incredible graphing calculator, but it has classroom activities too that you can do, and it's selected by grade, and it's set up. Think parents share. I know some of you have talked about Desmos and like it, but its graphing calculator is unbelievable. They have artwork that's done each year with that graphing calculator. So I don't know if that's how useful that is to us, but it's obviously good. But they have great selections of lessons and stuff for each grade level, practice problems. It's good. Then I went to Alex. Alex is put up by McGraw Hill, and it is really an adaptive education tool, uh, really detailed per person by the way they assess. Alex assesses the student. They get a very accurate idea of where they are, of what they know, and so therefore what they can teach, what they need to work on. And so Alex, the student will get assessed, and then they get something called a pie, where it's their Alex pie, and the dark color is what they know of this idea, and the outside, the gray, is what they don't know and need to work on. And so each student gets an individual pie like this, but they can see where they are, their timeline, their activities. This is a student view. And now the teacher view is impressive. Um, Here, the teacher view, you get, like, for your whole class, you get a pie with this idea. This is how much the whole class knew, and then how much they need to work on. And the same thing here. Really impressive. And progress, this is by student, and you can see how far they are in the class, topics learned, topics per hour per student, which is really interesting, I thought. um, Good stuff. Time and topic, this is just a little more detailed. This is, or I'm sorry, more general. This is the whole class time they spent each day in Alex. But all kinds of neat stuff, and Alex is really impressive. They have a video on the website that talks about the AI and how it works, and it's good. It's worth doing. Khan Academy has their AI section. It's called Kamingo. I love Khan Academy. Everybody knows Khan Academy. I used Khan Academy liberally in all throughout school and graduate school, and certainly do, and certainly will as a teacher. But Conmigo is Khan Academy's AI branch of Khan Academy, and it does all kinds of stuff. This is the teacher tools section, just to give you an idea what it can do. All these, and these will be custom tailored to you. These aren't just templates. Um, let's see, lesson plan. That's printables. Let's look at this. If I wanted to do a lesson plan, quickly, and I'm going to do fractions. I've done this before, so I know it's going to come up, but I put in fractions and fourth grade equivalent fractions. And so let's say I want, well, just an outline of the lesson plan. And here's your outline. Now, if we wanted the full lesson plan, we go to detail. And it knows fractions. And so it's going to give me my choices, fourth grade, sixth grade. So let's say now I want the high detail of that. And this gives me, for fourth grade math in North Carolina, builds the lesson plan. And any of the other tools, it has to ask you questions, and you answer them, and then it builds it on your answers. And so these extensions, this is the lesson plan for fourth grade equivalent fractions in North Carolina. And so these are the Khan Academy videos and articles, exercises about that. Shows you the required materials, teacher resources. So this is the whole lesson plan. But they have the North Carolina standards right here at the top. Yeah, it's amazing. Conmingo, it has other resources here. Also, you can, these are printable. These are more like templates. These are not the interactive as much as the teacher tools, the other tools was the Conmingo tools. But this is worth looking at. If you haven't seen this, it is really neat. All of this is AI, the way it's generated, Rubik generator. It's going to ask you a few simple questions. It's really good. I hope you found something that you didn't know. I don't know if you did or didn't, but I hope you found something useful. I know I did. So thank you.